What's going on here?
Is your eye still turning you? Okay, don't worry, you'll be fine. Eh? Take this. You mix this one and this one together. You take it. Try and relax, okay? I will rest. No problem. Eh? Hello?
Hello, Mr. Solomon. We just sent you the sum of 50 million naira. Please manage it. Thank you very much.
Hello? Hello?
You think it's a joke? You think it's a joke?
The number you're trying to call is not available.
Good day, sir.
Hey, good day.
Please, are you Brother Solomon?
Yes, I'm Solomon.
My boss said I should deliver this card to you.
What do you mean
Here
by
are the
that?
papers.
Asabu!
Deliver card to me. Can you imagine? So who is this your?
What's going on here?
What's going on?
School.
That's what I do for you. Hey!
Bro Solomon, I have been having some revelation about you lately, and me and Mommy Gio decided to come and see you to know. Let's hear from you. Hope you're fine.
I'm okay, man of God. God has been blessing me from different ways.
It's a pity.
You can see He has been doing great things in my life. So I'm good, I'm fine.
Okay.
Thank you so much for asking. Thank you.
Oh, it's all right. And also, I would like to know if you have been experiencing anything unusual lately, maybe spiritually and otherwise, or if you would like to share anything with us.
Well, I'm fine. You can see I'm fine. I'm okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
It's all right. It's all right. If that's the case, we would like to pray with you before we leave.
Okay. Before that, let me send you something for transport.
Thank you very much.
Still have your account number.
Oh, you still have our account.
What's going on here?
I'll send something very, very small for you.
Thank you. Okay. This is huge. Is this for the church building project or for transportation? This is huge.
For transport
500,000 for transportation.
only. That's what I
Thank
do
you
for
very
you.
much. God bless you. In fact, we need to pray with you. Let's pray with you. In Jesus' name. In the mighty name of Jesus.
Solo. Brother. What you carry me come your house today? They very serious. You see, after that time when I come out for hospital, I can't define. But things come rough for me. Everything turned upside down. Now I can't decide to do waka. As I waka, I can't meet one man. I the man can say, he go help me, but I go bring my mama. I don't feel use my mama do that kind of thing. Now I use my blood, do the ritual.
Eh? Wait. You mean the blood will donate for you? Now you take do ritual?
Yes.
Very wicked man. I see black, wicked.
So after some time, money can start to come.
Asabu.
Everything can dey okay for me. Can dey balanced.
Mama.
I talk calm. I talk calm. Because the way I can't begin to see money this period, I don't go understand.
You don't mean it?
Sure. Cars, but me no don't know what it could happen.
Now because in your blood I use.
Wetin dey worry this one? Who be this one?
But problem dey o. They say after 30 days, I go craze. And today na the 29th day. Which means by tomorrow, solo, I don't run mad.
Wait. You mean say if you craze tomorrow, me self go follow craze?
Since you follow chop the money, you will follow.
I send you.
Solo, calm down. Calm down.
Calm down.
It's not the end of the world.
Some of you are just evil. Some of you are worse than Hitler.